Hello guys, yes, so we continue with our tutorial of load assistance application. So in the last video, as I introduced you what we are going to build, we are going to build a load assistance app from scratch. Load assistance app, just to remind you, load assistance app, this is an app which it you just connect a client with the available providers according to the location where you are. So where did I get this idea? Actually, I had a friend of mine who wanted me to create an app for him, but unfortunately he had some issues that happened, so we didn't proceed with the project just to finish it. Since I thought maybe if I share with you what we did, maybe it may be helpful to you, or we can learn from each other. So that's the aim of sharing with you this project, or the aim of building this project with you, so that maybe we can finish it together and learn from each other. So today I'm going to start setting up the environments for developing this app. So first of all, we are going to start building the web API, you see. So actually also I promised you that I will list technologies that I'm going to use for this app. I'll be using for the API, I'll be using ASP.NET Core Web API, which is I think for me one of the good framework, so I know that as a framework that we can use, like maybe Laravel, Node and others, but I choose to go with ASP.NET Core. So if maybe you want me to use another technology, you can just drop the comment below and maybe we can see what we can do about it. But for now, I think let's move forward with ASP.NET Core Web API, and then we'll see what we're going to use. Maybe if you just give me some suggestions, maybe I'll switch the technology, but for now I'll just proceed with ASP.NET Core Web API. So, and also for mobile app, so we'll be using Xamarin Forms, which this is a framework for .NET. You use .NET to build cross-platform applications. You can build Android and iOS using the same code base. So guys, if you have any suggestion maybe on any new technology that we are going to use, so here if I search for, if you want, maybe if you have any idea or anything, suggestion on maybe switching technologies, just drop a comment below and I'll see what we can do about it. So I mentioned about ASP.NET Core. What is that? ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core Web API. So also okay, ASP.NET Core Web API. You see, so this is just like normal APIs, web APIs. You can use get, post, put and delete, you see. So it's using MVC, model view controller, in building web API, just like other. So what is MVC? MVC is model view controller. So this is just design pattern which is to build these applications, model view controller. So I think if you are aware of other technology like It's just like if you use this technology, very popular for PHP, which is Laravel. So I think you'll be aware of this model view controller. And also, even I think even other technologies are using this MVC. So we'll be using this ASP.NET Web API. So yep. So first of all, before we start doing anything, so that's what we'll be using, guys. So first of all, we're going to do some installation. We are setting up the environment for this. So as I said, we are going to use ASP.NET Core Web API, and also for creating web APIs, and also we are going to use for for mobile application. We're going to use Xamarin Forms, which is used to build cross-platform apps. So so the installation that we will first we're going to install this we call web API. ASP.NET Core SDK. I think we go with this 5. You see, so I'll be using this 5. ASP.NET 5. So first of all, this is the SDK that you're going to install in order to use to build this web API. So we are going to click here. I think this is 4, and then the installation will begin. So if you click here, you see. So since I already installed it, so I'm going to cancel it. So because I already installed it, so you're going to click here for Windows. So if you have a Mac, but I think because I'm using Windows for development, so I would advise to use the same if possible. But if you can use also Mac, so you can just follow the instruction on how to install it on your machine, or if you are using Linux and whatever. So that's the version that we are going to use. I already installed it, so let me show you. CMD. If you type .NET Core, .NET dash version, I think the command to see the version. So this is the version of ASP.NET Core that I installed in my computer. So that's why I didn't install it, because it's already installed. So that's the first one that we are going to. That's the first installation. That's the .NET Core. So just click here and install it. The second the second installation that we are going to do is this we are going to install the code editor. So I'll be using this cross-platform editor called the VS Code VS Studio Code. So I'll be using this one. Actually, they advise to use this one. They advise to use Visual Studio, but I like to use actually Visual Studio. I'll use it when if I'm building the Xamarin application. We are going to use Visual Studio actually. So if possible, try to install Visual Studio 2019 and above. But for now, it's not important in this video, because we are going to do this when we start building. Sorry guys. When we start building the Xamarin application, mobile application, we're going to install this Visual Studio. But if you have time, you can just install also this Visual Studio, starting from this version 2019 version, this one version 16.9 up, or the latest version. So that's installation for for .NET Core. But if you come for Visual Studio Code, why I like to use Visual Studio Code, you can also install Visual Studio if possible, but for me, for this tutorial, we're going to use Visual Studio Code because it's very lightweight. It's lightweight, and yeah, so I think I found that maybe you have using Visual Studio Code is very easy for me. So even though I already have Visual Studio installed, but I like to use VS Code because it's very lightweight, so it's my it's my recommendation. So it's just that you can also use other platform, but for this tutorial we're going to use this one. So just go download and install it, because for me I already installed it. The second installation we're going to do is this DB browser. So we're not going to use a very big for just start, because we are just starting this API. We're going to use this very lightweight database called SQLite browser. So for me, I already installed it, so I'm not going to download it. But if you are on Windows, you can just look any of these. So DB browser is correct. I already installed it, so just click here, install according to your depending on your computer or machine. So if you're on Windows, for me I am Windows, so I installed this standard. So if I DB browser, if I SQLite, okay. I already installed it. So DB browser. I already installed it. I don't know why it's not happening. DB. I already installed it, guys, but I don't know why it's not appearing. But so just install that one, and then the second one will be Postman for testing API. Postman. Yep. So this Postman. You see, so just install this Postman too. We will use it for testing API. So guys, so that's what the installation. That's a basic installation that we need to have in order to get started with our app, our development. So guys, so yeah, just repeat. You're going to install first of all the ASP.NET Core. That's version 5. Yeah, if in order to not get problems when we are building this web application, so I recommend to use the same version that I use. You can use the latest one, but in order to avoid future problems or version conflicts, so it's better to stick with the same version that I use. So, and also install VS Code. This will be our code editor. And the second one we use Postman. The last one we use Postman. Postman for test API, and also the DB browser for the browser. So guys, I think this video is taking longer. Let me just end here, and then so please guys, make sure you subscribe my channel so that you can motivate me, and I can do more and more videos. It's very important, guys. Please subscribe my channel, like, share, so that we can build this application together, and support me and grow my channel. So guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Let me wish you a good time, and cheers.